Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial in which we will learn about the for each loop. So let's begin. So I have created this new project in Visual Studio, and this is the default program which this Visual Studio offers. I am writing our program in this main block, and I am writing an array of numbers. So the numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is an array, right? And now I will be using the for each loop in order to print all the elements inside of this array. So let's do that. So I'm writing here for each, and then we have to enter these two brackets. Inside of this brackets we have to use another variable. So I'm declaring another variable I with the int data type. So it will be int in, and here I am using the name of the array numbers, right? So int in numbers, and this is the block of the for each loop. And since our purpose is to print all of the values inside of the arrays 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so I am just printing the value of I. So I'm writing here number colon, inside of these curly brackets I am just printing the value of I. So let's run this code, and as you can see, the numbers with the correct index has been printed 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is how we use the for each loop in order to print all of the values inside of an array. And now let's see if we want to find the sum of all of these numbers. So let's do that. So finding sum of all the numbers inside of this array. So for that we need to define another variable. So I'm writing here in sum is equal to 0. Initially it will have the value 0. Then inside of this for each loop I'm writing sum is equal to sum plus I. So initially the sum will have the value 0, and when the iterations will start, it will update the value of the sum. And now let's print the value of the sum outside of the for each loop. So I'm writing here the sum of all numbers in array is, and then inside of the curly brackets I'm simply calling the variable sum. Now let's run this code, and as you can see it from here, the sum of all elements in an array is 150. So that was just the basic use of the for each loop. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.